Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Now I'm going to show you how to reset an oil indicator flashing on a Fiat Doblo. It's a 2007 model. When we start the car, this indicator over here keeps flashing, and I'm going to show you how you can reset that manually, so you can do it for yourself. Before we start, YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. If you don't like our videos, no worries. Just let me know why you don't like my videos, or any tips to improve my videos. Use the comment area for questions and any tips or comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, this is the Fiat Doblo. It's a 2007 model. I'm going to show you I can reset the flashing oil light on the instrument cluster. Okay, let's start by turning off the ignition. Then turn the ignition on to the second position. All the different lights must go on. Then it's important to use the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. Press the accelerator pedal all the way down, and then press the brake pedal 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let go the brake pedal. Then we have to wait for about 60 seconds with the accelerator pedal pressed all the way down. I did it before, so I'm not gonna let you wait for about 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, then you have to turn off the ignition. Wait about 60 seconds again. Yes, wait for 60 seconds with the ignition turned off. After you turn the ignition on, turn on the ignition. Wait about 10 seconds, and after that you can start the car like this, and you see that the indicator for the oil won't flash anymore. That was it. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.